The government is speeding up the rollout of the Covid-19 vaccination program to ensure 50% of the Lao population is inoculated by the end of the year. The Deputy Director of the Mother and Child Health Center, Dr. Viengkhan Phixay, told a recent news conference that vaccination is one of the best ways to contain the spread of COVID-19.
ซึ่งมีความสำคัญหลายในการให้วัคซีนเนาะการพยาธิเพื่อสร้างภูมิคุ้มกันให้ประชาชนได้รับภูมิคุ้มกันเนาะมันจะลดเนาะอัตราการระบาดเนาะเพื่อควบคุมการระบาดเป็นการ
Deputy Director of the Mother and Child Health Center, Dr. Viengkhan Phixay, told a recent daily press briefing that if Lao people receive 2 doses of vaccine, severe symptoms of the diseases will not occur and it won't be fatal. The pace of the spread of the virus in immunized people will drop by 50%.
มาฮอดปัจจุบันนี้เนาะถ้าเฮาบริการวัคซีนที่เฮาได้รับทั้งหมดเนาะแม่น 1,536,000 โดสซึ่งกวมเอาประชากรอยู่ 700,000 เนาะ 60,000 คน
According to her, at the moment, the total stock of vaccines in Laos stands at more than 1.53 million doses, which should cover 76,000 people, or 10.3% of the total population. So far, more than 500,000 people have received the first dose of the vaccine, while more than 92,200 people have received the second dose.
โดยวัคซีนซึ่งเป็นวิธีเดียวที่ประเทศของพวกเราสามารถหลุดพ้นจากการระบาดถ้าพวกเราทั้งหมดหากตัดสินใจไปซักวัคซีนตามสถานที่ต่างๆที่ทางกระทรวงสาธารณสุขได้กำหนดไว้
A high percentage of at-risk groups have received the vaccine, according to Dr. Ratanasai Pitsuwan, the Director General of the Department of Communicable Disease Control under the Ministry of Health. He said, however, some provinces have not progressed as anticipated. So I urge local authorities to speed up the information campaign to ensure people understand the importance of vaccination and come together to get vaccinated. Laos has received vaccines as assistance from friendly countries, including Vietnam and China. The government will still need to contribute 20% of the total vaccines required to immunize the Lao population.
เนาะซึ่งปัจจุบันนี้อยู่สปป.ลาวเฮามีวัคซีน3ชนิดเนาะอันที่1เนาะชนิดที่1ก็แม่น Sinopharm.
Dr. Viengkhan said health officials have shipped vaccines, including doses of AstraZeneca, Sputnik V, and Sinopharm, to all 18 provinces. This week, second jabs will be administered to thousands of people. Mobile vaccination units have been arranged at several places, including Lao Aitek and the Chinese temple in Dongpale village, to facilitate the immunization program. Health officials in many districts have arranged mobile units to provide vaccines to officials at public offices. People can get vaccinated at provincial and district hospitals. In Viengkhan, residents can get vaccinated at major hospitals. In principle, 70% of people in a country need to get vaccinated in order to protect the population from the pandemic. Therefore, the Lao government has set a target of increasing vaccine coverage to 70% in the population by 2022. Currently, Laos is struggling to contain the spread of the coronavirus following a surge in new cases in the country. Infections have occurred among groups of families, senior citizens, children, and pregnant women. So far, 2 deaths have been reported in Laos in the second wave of the infections. The second wave has spread rapidly in Vientiane, forcing authorities to impose lockdown measures in red zones, villages, and trace those who have in contact with infected people. Health officials have urged people to act as responsible citizens by providing accurate information to authorities regarding persons who have been in contact with infected people.